Watch this cat and dog defend the house against a mouse.
You guys, somebody get the fucking mouse! He's literally not scared of any of you! Is this for real? Are you guys fucking for real?